everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Alfia Qureshi. So I am making this video after a very long time. First of all, sorry for that. So till now we have done so many topics of anatomy, but now today we will be talking about one topic from physiology, that is cardiac cycle. So today's topic is cardiac cycle. So here you can see this diagram, this cycle and these diagrams of heart. So I'll explain you through these diagrams. First of all, let's see the definition. So what is cardiac cycle? So the changes that occur in heart during each beat, and this cycle repeats during each beat. This is known as cardiac cycle. Okay, so it is basically the changes that take place in heart during each heartbeat. And these same changes repeat over and over again during each beat. Okay, so this is the cardiac cycle. So to simplify this, we have divided it into atrial cycle and ventricular cycle. The cardiac cycle is for each cycle is of 0.8 second. Okay, so in atrial cycle for 0.1 second there is atrial systole, and for remaining 0.7 second there is atrial diastole. And in ventricular cycle for 0.3 second there is ventricular systole, and for 0.5 second there is ventricular diastole. Now in this ventricular cycle there is further division. So there is 3 divisions in this systole phase and 5 divisions in diastole. See this inner one is for atrial and this outer one is for ventricular cycle. Okay, so this one dark shaded is for atrial systole, and remaining 7 is for diastole. Okay, and here the 3 blocks are for ventricular systole, and remaining light colored blocks are for diastole. Okay, so here we'll see the first block of ventricular systole is isometric contraction, which is for 0.05 second, and then it is for maximum ejection phase 0.11 second, and third one is reduced ejection phase 0.14 second. Okay, so these are 3 further divisions of ventricular systole. And in diastole there is protodiastole for 0.04 second, isometric relaxation phase for 0.08 second, first rapid filling in 0.11 second, and diastasis, that is slow filling, in 0.16 second. Now also the last rapid filling for 0.1 second, which is coinciding with the atrial systole phase here. So let me explain you with the diagram. So in the first this diagram, so this is a cross section. This diagram is made to simplify. So this is atriums, these are the ventricles, this is atrioventricular septum, and this is here is pulmonary trunk, and this is aorta. Okay, so the first one is atrial systole. Here you can see the atriums are contracting. These are AV walls, these are semilunar walls. So here the AV walls are open and blood from atriums is going towards the ventricle. So this is atrial systole. Then when all the blood from atriums is transferred to the ventricle, AV walls closes suddenly to prevent the backflow, which produces first heart sound. Okay, So here the first heart sound is produced, and the semilunar walls are also closed and AV walls are also closed. So this is a phase when her heart is contracting, ventricles are contracting, but both the walls are closed. So heart is contracting like a closed cavity. This is known as isometric contraction phase, which is for 0.05 second. Okay. From here the ventricular systole start, and this is atrial diastole. Now in the next phase, when the pressure in the ventricle raise more than the pressure in these vessels, the semilunar walls open, and then this is ejection phase, that is blood from the ventricle is transferred toward the vessels. On the right side it is transferred in the pulmonary trunk, and on the left side in the aorta. Okay, so initially due to high pressure this is maximum ejection, and when the pressure falls this is reduced ejection. Okay, so this is the fourth phase. Now again, when all the blood from ventricle is transferred into these vessels, these semilunar walls closes suddenly to prevent the backflow from these vessels into the ventricle. Okay, which again produces the second heart sound. So first heart sound is produced due to sharp closure of AV walls, and second heart sound is produced due to sharp closure of these semilunar walls. So this is reduced ejection phase. Now when these semilunar walls are closed but AV walls are not yet opened, so again there is a phase when both the walls are closed and heart is in the relaxation phase. So this is known as isometric relaxation phase. So this isometric relaxation is for 0.08 second. Okay. Now when the pressure in the atrium is more than the pressure in ventricle, these AV walls open, and this is filling phase for these ventricles. This is diastole of ventricle. Okay. So these AV walls open and blood from the atrium move towards the ventricles. So this is first rapid filling due to high pressure. Gradually it becomes slow filling phase, and again in the last there is atrium contraction, which is also known as last rapid filling. So these are all the changes in the heart which take place during each beat. So this is all about cardiac cycle. So hope you guys understood the topic. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.